In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return and refund policy on Wix. Understanding how to create a dedicated page for your policies is crucial for gaining your customers' trust and providing them with clarity on your store's terms. So let's dive right in and get started on creating this page within just a few easy steps. First, navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you can make all sorts of changes to your site, ensuring it looks and functions just as you envision. Once you are in the editor, locate and click on the page icon on the left hand side of the screen. This icon is your gateway to managing existing pages or adding new ones. Next, you will want to click on Add Page. This will bring up options that allow you to choose what kind of page to add. For our purposes today, we are going to select the blank page option. This choice gives you a clean slate to work on, allowing for full customization in terms of layout and content. Once your blank page has been added, it's time to give it a name. At the top of the new page, you'll find a field where you can input a page name. Here, you'll want to type in return and refund. Naming your page clearly helps both you and your visitors easily identify its purpose. Now, with your page set up, it's time to add some content that explains your return and refund policy. Look for the plus icon in the editor. Clicking it will reveal different types of content you can add to your page. For starters, click on text to add some textual elements to your page. After clicking text, choose the title theme. This will be the header for your page, announcing unequivocally that this section is dedicated to return and refund policies. Once that's added, click on Edit Text and name it accordingly. Consistent labeling helps enhance the user experience by offering seamless navigation. Next, let's focus on the body of the page. Click Text again and then choose Paragraphs this time. Here, you'll select a theme for your paragraph to ensure it visually aligns with the rest of your site. A unified theme contributes to your website's professionalism. Finally, click once more on Edit Text. To start crafting the actual content of your policy, write out your return and refund terms in a clear, concise manner, making sure to address any common questions or scenarios your customers might have. Offering transparency here will go a long way in building trust with your audience. And that's it, we've successfully added a return and refund policy to your Wix site. Take a moment to publish your page and it will be live for your customers to see. This addition not only meets legal requirements but also helps establish a good relationship with your buyers by setting clear expectations. Thank you for watching and happy editing.